When you think of war, you imagine soldiers fighting soldiers. But what if I told you that in 1932, Australia went to war against birds and lost? After World War I, Australian farmers faced a new enemy, 20,000 emus invading their crops. The government's solution? Send the army with machine guns. Sounds overkill, right? Well, it wasn't enough. Turns out, emus are fast. They zigzagged, outran the soldiers, and even survived direct hits. One soldier even said, "These damn birds are bulletproof." After weeks of failing, Australia had to retreat. And that's how Australia officially lost a war to birds. So, if you ever feel like you're failing at something, just remember, you're doing better than the Australian Army in 1932. What's the weirdest war you've ever heard of? Let me know in the comments.